Welcome to the ETraining library. This is a user-friendly learning solution which will give your employees great understanding of the Microsoft Office suite of products. I'm logged in as an administrator and this is my dashboard. On here, I can see the number of logins and number of lessons viewed, statistics on productivity and return on investment, top learners, awards. There are optional exams and quizzes on the courses which can help foster a competitive dynamic in the workplace. Top lessons and courses, which give you an insight into what people might need further formal training on, and learning paths. You can set a learning path for your users by clicking on Administration. Here you can set specific training courses for specific users and set time limits on which to complete them. When your users log in, they will see the course library, as well as any learning paths they have been set and the newest courses which have been recently added. You can modify this screen to only show your users the training tabs you want them to see. Here, I'm showing all available tabs. When I click into the 365 tab, it shows me all the applicable courses relevant to 365. Let's click on SharePoint Online Essentials. There are 39 lessons in this section, running to just under 3 hours. Each lesson is rarely longer than 8 minutes. The lessons start right at the beginning of your knowledge, assuming you have never even accessed SharePoint before. It uses the same approach with all of the course content. If your users are not sure which training video has the answer they seek, they can use a search box in the top left-hand corner, and this will present them with all lessons containing their search term. As well as new Microsoft products, it also has courses on all the well-known apps such as Word and Excel. Again, starting with Essentials and moving to professional level user training. There is also an important section on security awareness, helping your employees to stay safe and secure online. This can help reduce cyber threats, phishing scams, and protect your company data. In addition to the course library, your users will have their own training tab. This dashboard will show them their own key statistics, learning paths they have been set, achievements, and courses they are currently working through. If you would like to find out more, please contact us at aag-it.com.